Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. You never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yeah, I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel that way. I never knew the man who'd give his life for sinners like me. And yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity. And we can have that promise and peace if we have faith and just believe. Teach us to trust in you with all our heart, to lean not on our own understanding, 'cause we just forget you won't give us what we can't bear. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, we don't wanna be there. Yeah, my Lord. Trust in you with all of my heart. Lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there.
Okay, magandang hapon po. Good afternoon sa lahat. 39 pa lang tayo. So, as what I've said, ang unang part ay checking ng ating assignment. Then after nyan, quiz tayo for 2 hours. After ng ating quiz, meron tayong discussion. Okay, so pinaprepare ko na po sa inyo yung inyong assignment. So, kayo na rin na magche-check niya ng inyong assignment. Here are the answers. Let me share my screen. So, tatlong numero po yan, ang binigay natin. Ito sila. So, for number 1, ito. So, we have this kind of circuit, parallel RC yan, Ang tanong, solve the current at R. So dito, solve the current at C and the total current. So, of course, we will be using complex numbers. So, of course, by Ohm's law, deploying the current flowing at R, V, IR. Kunyari, IR yun, and that is V over R. Ano po? The source voltage is 10 angle 0, and R, of course, is 68 angle 0 din yan. So, by complex, by using complex, we have 10 over 68 will be 0.15, and 0 minus 0 will be 0. So, we have 0.15 angle 0 degrees amperes. Ano po? Bigyan po ng 2 points yan. Now, for I sub C, ito naman yung current dito na dumadaloy sa ating capacitor dito po. So, again, by Ohm's law, V over X sub C naman this time. So, yung ating X sub C ay 90 ohms. So, that is 90 angle negative 90 or negative J90 yan in rectangular. So, still we have the same voltage V. Kaya 10 over 90 will be 0.11 and 0 minus 90 will be plus 90. Kaya 0.11 angle of 90 degrees amperes. For the total, kung yung ginawa ninyo ay sinolve mo ng impedance nito and then kinuha yung current using this voltage V, okay naman yan. Pero dito, dahil meron ka ng current at R, current at C, we can simply add the two, but of course, using complex numbers, hindi magnitudes lang. So, una, 0.15 angle 0. Pangalawa, 0.11 angle 90 degrees. Adding the two, we'll have the result of 0.19 with the angle of 36.25 degrees amperes. So, give 2 points also. Merong nag-chat. 0 point po ba, sir, if mali yung angle? Pero tama yung radius. Sige, bigyan po ng 1 point. Hindi siya radius actually. Magnitude R. R lang ang ginamit natin. Ano po? Hindi siya radius. Wala tayong circle na pinag-uusapan dito. Okay? So, pag mali po yung angle, tama yung magnitude, bigyan na rin na 1 point. Sir, pag 3 decimal places po, yes. Mas accurate ngayon. Okay? Any questions? Wala na. Sige, we can now move with number 2. Number 2, ayaw mag-forward Ayan. So, number 2, we have this circuit series naman po, RL. Ang mga tanong ay voltage drop at R, so dito. Voltage drop at L, dito. Real power P, reactive power Q, and apparent power S. Of course, using complex numbers again. So, it is given that source voltage Vs is 5 angle 0 degrees volts. Of course, we'll be using XL and XL lang kasi R na itong isa. XL. Para ma-solve natin yung impedance. So again, XL is 2 pi FL. So 2 pi 60 yung ating frequency. Ito po. And then L is 100 milli. So 10 to the negative 3. So pag sinolve na po, we have 37.70 ohms. We have 150 here for R. So the impedance A is 150 plus J of 37.7. Or in polar, we have 154.67 with the angle of negative 14.11 degrees ohms. So para makuha yung voltage drop dito, kailangan natin ng current para magamit yung Ohm's law. Kaya solving for current, we have V over C, V 50 angle 0. Say na solve natin dito ito. Then, ano lang ito? Magnitude 5 over 154.67 is 32.33. And the angle 0 minus 14.11 is negative 11.11. So milliampere po. This was just expressed in rectangular form. So for voltage sa R, we have I times R. I is this. Ito po. So milli nilagay na natin 10 to negative 3 dito. R is 150. Angle 0. Kaya ito po 4.85 with the angle of negative 14.11 degrees volts. 2 points po ito. Mamaya na. Nandun dyan sa kabila. V sub L is I times XL. So XL, asa na yun? We have 37.70. Kaya lang in polar form, it must have an angle of 90 kasi JXL yan. Okay? Kaya ito, makikita ninyo. 37.7 angle of 90 degrees. So pag multiply na po, we'll be having 1.22. This is negative 14, adding to 90, 48.11 is 75.89 degrees volts. So 2 points din po ito. 2 and 2. Na ito na yan, ano? Pinorward lang natin sa kabila. Na ang mga tanong pa ay P, Q, and S. So using complex, for S, para yung P and Q makukuha na doon. So S na agad. We have the product of the voltage and the conjugate of the current. Kaya po kanina yung current ay in-express natin in rectangular form. Or pwede naman ang polar, ha. So, ginamit natin rectangular. Para itong minus, naging plus. Okay? At dahil milli yun, so times 10 to negative 3, 10 to negative 3. Voltage is 5 angle 0 or 5 plus J0. So pag binultiply na, ito na yung resulta. 0.157 plus J of 0.039 volt amperes. So yung P ito, kitang-kita, 0.157 watt. Itong Q, 0.039 var. And then the magnitude of S will be the square root of 0.157 squared plus 0.039 squared. That is 0.162 volt ampere. So bigyanin po ng 2 points yun. 2, 2, 2. Kaya 10 ang ating number 2 total. Okay na po tayo? Para last number na? Sige. Last number. So for number 3, meron tayong parallel na RLC. We are asked to solve the following. Ano ba ito? Ang dami pinapahanap pala, no? Wait lang. Admittance, impedance, total current, P, Q, and S. Konti lang ang nalagyan ko ng points dito, ah. So, dapat ito, ang pangalawa ay hindi balance. 2, 2, 2. Balikan ko lang yung kabila. Para dapat 25 lang din. So, 6 ito. 10, 16. 25 and 16. Ilan na yun? 8, 9. 9 points na. Tama po, 9 points ang kulang. So, kung ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag 1.5 na lang ito bale. Sige, tag 1.5 points each ang gagawin natin. So, una muna, to solve for the admittance, siyempre kailangan natin yung XL and XC muna. So, same formulas pa rin po, 2 pi FL and 1 over 2 pi FC. So, having these values, given that the frequency is 12 kilohertz, so 12,000. XL is 1,130.97 ohms and XC is 602.86 ohms. R will be 100, same pa rin yan. So that your G, conductance is 1 over R. So 1 angle 0 divided by 100 angle 0 also is 0.010 degrees, angle 0 degrees, Siemens. Now for Isabel, 1 over XL pa rin po yun. So this is angle 90 kasi JXL yan. And then if we divide, we have 0.0884 angle of negative 90 degrees millisiemens. For B sub C, 1 over X sub C, this is negative JX. Ano po kaya negative 90 yan? Kaya ang resulta niya is 1.657 angle of 90 degrees millisiemens. So, milli po. Then, ano ba yung hinahanap dito una? Admittance, impedance, total current. So, for the admittance, ito dapat ang bibigyan natin ng ano. I-ano ko ha. I-stop share ko tapos i-edit natin. Okay, I hope nakikita na ito, no? Balikan natin yung slide na yon. Ito siya. Ito na. Medyo maliit-liit nga lang sa inyo. Lagyan natin ito. Kung kasi 9 points ang kailangan dito, dapat ito merong 2 points. I-edit mo lang ito. Copy and paste. Yan. Tapos, tapos itong Z, so dahil 9 lang ito, siguro pwede na ang 1 point dito, 1 over Z lang naman yan. Yan. Ito tag to 2. 2, 2, and 2. Okay. Okay, pinalak ko na po ulit. So again, y is g plus jb sub c minus jb sub l. Ano po? So may mga value tayo kanina. Combining, that will be 10 millisiemens plus J of 0.77646 millisiemens. This is in rectangular. In polar, we have 10.03 angle of 4.43 degrees millisiemens. Dapat dito pala yung 2 points, hindi dito sa taas. Okay? Anyway, for y, 2 points. And then for z, 1 over y yan. So we will just take the reciprocal of this. So that will become 1 over 10.03 or 99.7. Nawala na yung milli. Angle of, so this is plus 0 minus 4.43 will be negative 4.43. Give 1 point for that. So, andun na po, no? We have now these values. And then, yung ating S ay conjugate method pa rin ng voltage current. So, we'll be needing the current in rectangular form. That is why we have here the current I will be the product of voltage and the admittance Y. Ano po. So, this is it. And then, finally, in rectangular form is 50 plus J of 3.8736 milliamperes. So the conjugates, this is plus, J now becomes minus J. And milli 10 to the negative 3. Ano po. So if you multiply again, we'll be having 0.25 plus J of 0.0194 volt ampere. So dito makikita na agad yung P, that is 0.25 watt. Yung Q naman, 0.0194 var. And finally, for S, we simply take the magnitude of this, and that will be 0.2507 volt amperes. So, ayan sila. Finally, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 points for number 2, number 3, I mean. So, mamaya po, ibigay niyo ulit ang inyong scores kay Press, ha. Press, pasuyo na lang ako para may record natin. Merong question, tama rin po ba yung point 0103 Siemens for Y? Asan ba yung Y? Wait lang. 0.01 kasi 1, 2, 3. Tama. Tama yun. No problem. Nawala na yung milli doon sa nagtanong, ha. Okay? Hope narinig ako. Tama rin yun. Parehas lang yun. Nilipat lang. Any questions? So, ayun. Wala nang tanong yata. Okay na tayo? So, stop share ko na ito. Sige. So, ang next natin ay ang ating quiz ano po. So, sabi ko that is still online and we'll be using Google Forms. So, mag-print screen muna tayo ng ating ano ngayon para mamaya print screen tayo ulit. Ah, yung makakapag-open po ng cam, paki-open. Kasi may oras pa naman, 2 o'clock tayo mag-start sa ating quiz. Yung iba hindi talaga lumalabas yung ano, picture. Block lang. Sige, game. Slide 1 muna. 1, 2, 3. Wala pong webcam, sir. No problem. Okay, game po. 1, 2, 3. Smile po. Then, next slide tayo. Game, 1, 2, 3. Smile po. Okay. Pwede na mag-off cam. Sige. So, end ko na muna ito ha. And I'll be sending na the link of our quiz 4 sa ating messenger. Thank you. Bye-bye muna. Mamaya ulit.